Hey, what's up everyone? I just wanted to add this quick little video about my paper lantern setup. I got a question from a student, Lance. Thanks for asking, and I just wanted to respond. He was asking how I set up my paper lanterns because they're a very cheap option for getting some good light. So I'm going to show you my setup and just walk you through how I set it. So let's go ahead, and you can see here, you can see my lanterns, they're on right now. And these are they're hanging on a backdrop stand. So you see this black backdrop stand? That is a stand that I got for a paper backdrop. You can get it on Amazon for like between $20 and $30. And you can just see how it goes up, and it has this bar that goes across. Now you don't need this backdrop bar. You could hang the lamps from the ceiling or from some other sort of hook, but it just makes it easy and portable for me. So now I have these paper lanterns, and I have two, and they have a cord that has a light bulb socket. So let me just show you that. So inside is a light bulb socket. You could again get this off Amazon for like 15 bucks or something, and that's just plugged in to my outlet right there, and there's one on each side. Now I put these on either side of my desk because a lot of times I'm creating videos where I'm standing in front of my desk talking. And so I have my webcam right here. You can see my Logitech C920. And that's what I use to record a lot of my more DIY videos. Let me just stand right here, and you can kind of see what it would look like with the light shining on both sides. You also can see that I have this big window. So I have this big window to my left, and that brings in a lot of light. These lanterns with the light bulbs are fairly bright, and even at night, or if I have the window shut, they do provide a lot of light. The other thing to keep in mind when you're getting light bulbs for your lantern setup is that light bulbs come in different color temperatures, and the outside daylight has what's called a Kelvin light temperature. And there's a number that goes along with that scale, and the Kelvin outdoor light temperature is 5600. And so when you're getting your fluorescent light bulbs to put in your lanterns, you want to make sure you get the same kind of light bulb, the 5600 Kelvin, so that it matches the light outside. Otherwise, if you're shooting during the day with the lanterns and with light coming in from the outside, the colors are going to look weird because the lanterns are going to look very orange and the outside light will look really blue, but now it's all the same temperature. So that's pretty much my setup. If I am shooting something with my DSLR camera or another camera, I'll even use these lanterns. I'll just move them out from behind my desk and put them right behind the camera or right kind of in front of the subject, a few feet away, so that they're just closer to the subject than they are right now. So hope this answered your question. If you have any other questions or comments about my lighting setup or anything else in the course, let me know, and I'll see you guys another time. Bye.